Friends, do you also want to run Audacity software in your mobile? If you are also thinking that how we can run Audacity software in our mobile, so today's video is going to be just for you. In today's video I am going to tell you everything that how you have to run Audacity software on your mobile. After all, Audacity software can be run on mobile or not. Is it possible or not? All the information you are going to get in today's video. If you also want to run Audacity software on any of your mobile, then today you must watch this video completely. Watch the complete video so that you do not face any kind of problem and you will also be able to run the Audacity software in your mobile very easily. Definitely watch the video completely. Friends, first of all let us know that what is this Audacity? Friends, Audacity is an audio editing software. With this software you can edit your audio as you want. Friends, this is a high-level audio editing software. Friends, there is a question in the mind of many people whether we can run Audacity software in our mobile or not. Then let me tell you. Friends, if you want to run Audacity software on your mobile, then it is not possible at all because friends, this software has been made only for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Other than that you cannot run this software anywhere. Friends, if you want to run Audacity software, then it is very important for you to have a laptop or computer. Only then you will be able to run this software very easily. Friends, I know you want to run Audacity software in your mobile, but friends, you cannot run Audacity software on your mobile, but you have many types of audio editing software available on Play Store. You can run those software in your mobile very easily. So friends, I hope you got to learn something new from this video. So friends, in this way you can run Audacity software in your mobile very easily. I hope you have understood everything well. Friends, if you have any kind of problem, then you must tell us by commenting so that we can solve all your problems as soon as possible. Friends, YouTube has made many videos in which people tell you how you can run Audacity software in your mobile, but most of the videos are fake. You are requested not to watch videos of such people. You should learn something good in their videos. Will not get so friends, I sincerely hope that you must have benefited from this video. This video must have been helpful for you. Friends, if you got to learn anything good from this video, then you are requested to like this video and share it with all your friends. Share this video as much as possible with friends so that all your friends can also get correct information. Friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you are requested to subscribe to our channel today so that you can see similar videos on this channel. If you subscribe, then you will get the notification of our new video first, and you will be able to see our videos first. Then you should subscribe. Many thanks to all of you for watching the video.